everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do two really easy DIYs that you can do on a budget. So I got most of my materials from Poundland and some material that I had from even in my garden. So for the first DIY, you're going to need some little glass jars. I got mine from a store that's closing down in my city, but I've seen similar ones to this in Poundland. They do bigger ones as well. You will need some fake leaves, or if you're like me, you can pick some from your garden. And lastly, some paint, and I used acrylic paint. For the second DIY, you're going to need some crates. So I bought this crate from Poundland. I bought 2 of them, and I bought some fake flowers. So the orange ones are from Wilko and the rest are from Poundland. For my first jar, I'm using a sponge to dab on the paint. It's better this way if you want to have a gradient effect. I didn't want a perfect application, so I put more colour at the bottom of the jar and faded it upwards, but not all the way to the top. I waited until it's dry before applying a second coat. I chose acrylic to do this because acrylic paint is so easy to take off later on, especially when it comes to the winter season. I'm going to be reusing these jars again anyway, so I thought I'd use something that's easy to take off. Now I'm just using a small file to scrape off the paint off the printed sections in order to give that worn out look, but you can completely skip this step if you don't like it. Now it's time to add your leaves. I also decided to use some of the orange flower heads from the fake flowers to give it a better effect. And your first DIY is done. I personally prefer it looking like this, but if you want, you can tie string around the neck of the jar. For my second DIY, I'm using a small amount of hot glue to join the crates together. I wanted to position them so that I can easily place flowers in the gaps on each side. If your flowers are too long, you can easily snap off the ends where the notches are indicated on the stem. I don't have great floristry skills, and I don't even know if these kind of flowers are according to the season of autumn. I just chose them because they look nice, so just do what is according to your taste. Don't worry about being so precise about everything, just have fun with it. Lastly, I threw in those garden leaves to the top of the crate and added some candles. You can add whatever you want in this section. I just thought I'd throw these in here just to show you what it could look like. Just be careful where you place the candles and the leaves. Obviously, you don't want anything to catch on fire. And there you have 2 very simple home decor ideas which you could use on a tight budget. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for notification of when my next videos are coming up.